Hi, my name is Alex Berwager. I'm the Livestock and Dairy Business Manager for New Holland North America. Bringing to you today the Model Year 26 Roll-Belt 1 Series. This is the Roll-Belt 561 Specialty Crop Plus. One of the key features of this baler is improved capacity. How that can be achieved is with this optional dual roller wind guard on the 5x6 offering. What that offers is an 8.4 inch roller up front and a 6-inch roller in the back, keeping the consistent crop flow into the bale chamber. These rolls float independently, or they can be locked together depending on the crop condition. Additionally, with this baler, we're bringing more technology for the farmer in their operation, starting off with active Weigh Bale Scales. So these are load cells built into the baler with a gyro to account for slope that will give you active bale weights as the bale is building. Additionally, we have a new display with this. This is the IntelliView 4 Plus, and with that display, you have the ability to see your bale weigh, as well as your moisture sensor built in, and all the functions of your previous display are built in there. With that data, it's also sent to the cloud, to our FieldOps platform, where you can see bale drop location, moisture, weight, and things like that to run your operation. Coming around here to the rear, we have reliability built into the heart of our baler. So New Holland round balers are known for their tight core, their density, and their square shoulder bales. That's achieved with what we call the sledge with these forming rolls in here. These forming rolls are now improved, where we actually have a 7mm thick skin. This is a one-piece tube now versus a welded half shell design. What that gives us is more reliability and uptime, so as you're pushing this baler with the capacity, the baler is keeping up and you're getting that true New Holland DNA in your bale. So if you'd like to find out more, go to your local New Holland dealer. These will be landing shortly, and if not, check out newholland.com. Thank you.